15 minutes full body hit, all standing, no repeats, no home workout. Welcome to your 15-minute full body hit workout. This all standing, no repeats, no equipment routine is perfect for any fitness level, and it's designed for you to do right at home. Get ready to get your heart pumping and muscles working with this high-energy, low-impact workout. We'll be targeting every muscle group with dynamic moves that combine strength, cardio, and flexibility. This non-stop, full-body session will have you sweating and burning calories like never before, all while improving your overall fitness and endurance. Since there are no repeats, each exercise will be performed for a set time, so push yourself to make the most of every second. Remember, you can always modify the moves or take breaks as needed. Just keep moving and stay committed to your goals. As you progress through the workout, focus on maintaining proper form and technique to prevent injury and maximize results. And don't forget to breathe. Deep, controlled breaths will help you power through those challenging moments. Consistency is key, so keep coming back to this workout to continue building strength and improving your fitness level. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you at the next session.